Hi friends, today I am going to introduce you about a very special spice. Yes, saffron. Yes, you are seeing the packet. Yes, this is the packet from the Amazon. Yes, a delivery company. Yes, the online courier service company which has delivered the packet. Here are much more features of this company. Video streaming. Here see video and here is the product details. See, is the product details is here. Amount to be collected 470, the unit 1 gram unit only 470 rupees in Indian prices. And you are seeing the packet. It is the packet here. The barcode is here. You are seeing the barcode and see the knife. I am going to cut it with this knife. Yes, I am now cutting the packet. Yes, I am cutting the packet now. You can see the cardboard packet. I am cutting the side, one side, and by the by, yes, and here I have cut it, and now the upper side. All is clear. Now the upper side is to be cut. Yes, see, I can cut it. Yes, from here is a perfect size is to take place, and so I have taken my scissor, and with the scissor, I am going to cut this. And the scissor function very smooth on it, and I am cutting the packet, and it has smoothly cut. See, the packet is cut, and now I am going to open the packet from here. Yes, see, I am going to open the packet from here. Yes, see the airbag. The airbag is used to keep it intact and at least in its place. It is the airbag in car. Yes, no, like the airbag in car, but here the airbag used to protect the packet. Yes, the packet of saffron, as it is a very precious spice. Yes, the saffron. The saffron, and in Indian language, it is called kesa. Yes, the packet is here. You can see the packet is here. Here the saffron is written on it. The Kashmiri saffron, the company keynote 100% pure red saffron threads here, means petals, finest saffrons in the world. Yes, one of the finest saffrons here world. Yes, it is as it is Kashmiri saffron, always it is below the Afghani saffron, but it is one of the finest saffron in the world. And here is the Pampur Kashmir India, and here the premium grade category, and the seal here. And I am going back here. Here is something written on it, Kashmiri saffron it Margo Bangra, and a protected variety of saffron in the world. It has some of the highest levels of saffron narcotic. And here the company, and here say all natural, no preservative, no thickness, no colorants and preparing agents etc have been used to produce in the products. It is free from any and all additives, non-GMO. Here is the seal. Yes, the security seal if found broken, security seal keynote, and company here keynote. Yeah, the security seal is also here. And here are the some details to guess. Means here the helplines, Facebook, Instagram, contact, and finally the website. And here the barcode of the saffron. Yes, 1 gram saffron. And what is made in India. It is love, care, and pride. Means love, care, and pride is used to make it. Yes, it is made in India. And the purity seal is also here, and the origin. Yes, the origin here, the keynote, the company name, single origin, Pampers Kashmir, 29 plus servings. And to know more about the philosophy of the essential farming, fair trading, etc., yes, you must see the website and see the website. And here are some good things which used here: the ingredients, shelf life, storage, I mean instructions here, instruction of use, precautions, and market to manufacture. See, this the ingredients: 100% pure Kashmiri Mangora saffron threads. Yes, 100% Kashmiri Mangora threads is a here. Shelf life products each 36 months, and all here. And I am going back to here. See, though it is called sometime the saffron is very useful for the pregnant woman. Yes, and you see the flower pregnant woman, and it may change the baby color. Yes, the fair color, but it is not scientific. But saffron has a great use in the body. Yes, especially on sex purpose. Yes, you can see this, how to use, see the instruction use of the UCS here. And by the by, you can see it now. I am saying tightly, you must tightly of the bottle after use, and provide protection here sunlight, and to extend life the protections you must do it. That is written here. And how to use: soak the crushed saffron thread in 20 ml of water or milk for at least 45 minutes. These can be added any dish to flavor the same. Yes, this is written here. It's the same. The crushed saffron thread expedites the infusion process. And finally, the predictions. Yes, finally the predictions: highly potent Kashmiri Morgra saffron to be used in the modern individuals allergic to saffron, and pregnant women should follow the advice of the respective medical practitioners before using this product. Marketed and manufactured by Keynote International. The address is also here: Torna Sahar Road, Andheri, Mumbai 40099. Maharashtra, India. Source from Sambora, Pampur, Jammu and Kashmir. Means heat is the source of these saffron petals. And it is here. The servings and all is here. You can see. See this each. Now I am going to cut this to bring out the bottle of it. Yes, just a small bottle, means small pack, 1 gram is it, and I am going to open it. Yes, yeah, yes, the discounts on here. This is the discount chart. Get discounts on in the packets. X6 executive, bulk packages, and rare government and products. See there. And here is, you may call it a warranty card. And see, take 20 to 30 ml of either water or milk, external natural alcohol. If the water or milk that you infuse the saffron into, ensure that it is heated at least 85 degrees centigrade. Crush or cut saffron threads into tiny pieces and soak them into the hot medium of minimum 45 minutes. This infusion can make kept the overnight. Yes. And next, this is the proof. So here, and see the packaging. See the packaging here, how it's kept. Yes, the barcode means the barcode of the product, and product details. No, it is Amazon, our complete catalog. And here the companions. See Hardy catalogs. Yes, through barcode, and the product details are here. How to use, how to gather, and how to do with it. See the color of the saffron, very deep, very deep, like in Afghani saffrons. Yes, you can hear here. So now this is, you can see the packaging. Yes, here is the saffron, the bottle of saffron. See the petals in the bottle, and here is the petals of the bottle, and you can see it. And here, so let's here, and here, bye bye.